Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lakewood Elementary School, home of the Hawks in White Lake, Michigan, and part of the Huron Valley School District. My first visit to their campus, and a very special one. We definitely talked about a lot about positivity being the main focus today, but also being your best self. And this kind of ties into their SOAR acronym that they have here at Lakewood, but especially the O, which is to obtain goals. And part of that is also always trying your best, right? And we say that, true excellence, it's not always being the best, not always aiming to get first place, 100%. Win the race, it's about just doing your best, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome, but if we give our best, usually 8, 9, 10 times out of 10, we're gonna get the result that we want. And if we keep, pushing, keep persevering, know that the opposite of success is giving up and quitting versus failure. A lot of people think it's that, but just because we fail, that doesn't make us a failure, right? Just because we make a mistake doesn't make us a mistake, right? We have to know that we're all very, very special, very, very powerful, and can really do anything. And that also starts with this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies, that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into that, right? We have to truly, really comprehend that, because some students or people in general that haven't believed that in the past or currently don't, or might not in the future for whatever reason, we can be the light to their hearts if we choose to. And know that anything that we go through can make us stronger if we let it, right? That's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down or sad or your head's down, it says, keep your head up, right? A reminder to always think positive no matter what. So just always, just keep going, keep doing the best you can, that we can control our attitude and our effort. And those are both contagious. And if we give that full effort, other people around us want to give that too. And we also have to know that part of doing your best is also encouraging others, right? So when we're able to lift up others, higher than ourselves, kind of like the geese concept that we talked about with uplift, that can really leave marks on people's hearts. It can start to empower them to, give more of their all, right? And to know that all of us, can always give a little bit more in any area of our lives, whether it's at home or a friendship, here at school, a certain subject, a sports team, a different type of extracurricular. All of us really have that power to really step into that and to keep pushing for peace. And that's inside here and inside here. Because whatever you tell your heart and your mind, it's going to believe, right? We want to be kind to our mind and tell it something that's positive. Forget the negativity, the negative beliefs, the negative doubts, the negative thoughts. Replace it with something more positive. So we have that positive attitude everywhere in our lives and with everyone in our lives. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. You're definitely on my heart now too. Hopefully I'll get to see you again in the future. Until then, I'll have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.